foul committed by number 5 Tapalya, warning for foul out. Substitution ref number 22 out, Jesus in. Substitution ref, Tapalya out, Mamawag in. Inbound by Santiago. Basket by Villafranca. Inbound by Bautista, Fielding Lasan.
45-44, 1 point lead by Troopers.
Basket count by Lasan plus a foul.
46-45, 1 point
Committed
lead
by
by
number 4 De Leon.
Patriots.
Substitution ref, De Leon out, Salvador in. De Leon third personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot given to number 25, Lasan. Time remaining 8 minutes and 48 seconds left. Bonus shot, basket, official score 47-45, 2 points lead by Patriots.
Ole, ole, ole.
Basket.
Deadlock at 47.
Del Rosario, 3-point shot, no good. Follow up, basket by Del Rosario.
49-47, 2 point lead by Troopers. By Patriots, sorry.
Villafranca. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Del Rosario. No good. Rebound by Villafranca. Intercept by Del Rosario. "15 seconds to shoot. Del Rosario for 3. No good. 7 minutes and 23 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Bautista. No good. Rebound by Santiago to De Los Reyes. 15 seconds to shoot. Villafranca. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by Salvador. Official score all 49.
Deadlock at 49.
15 seconds to shoot. Jesus. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket by Lasan.
51-49 in favor of Patriots.
6 minutes and 18 seconds left. No good. Rebound by Bautista to Lasan. Basket by Lasan.
53-49.
Official score 53-49. 4 points lead by Patriots.
4 point lead by Patriots.
No good. Rebound by Bautista. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Lasan. Lasan for 3. No good. Rebound by Santiago. 5 minutes and 30 seconds left. No good. Rebound by Del Rosario. No good, but a foul committed by number 3, Santiago. Substitution ref, Morelos out.